Hello everybody, today we'll talk about derivative. The derivative is the variation of something. So the variation of a constant is 0. Then the derivative of a constant is 0. The derivative of x is x prime. The derivative of y is y prime. Or we can say dx over dt or dy over dt. So now rule number 1. If x equal constant a, then x prime is 0. For example, the derivative of 10 is 0. The derivative of 1000 or 10,000 is 0. The derivative of any constant number is 0. Rule number 2. If x equal t power n, then x prime is n t n minus 1. For example, x equal t square, then x prime is equal 2t 2 minus 1, then the derivative x prime is equal to t. Another example, x equal t power 3, then x prime is 3t power 2. X equal t power 4, then x prime is 4t3. X equal t, then the derivative x prime is 1. Or t1 minus 1, t power 0, then x prime is 1. The derivative x equal 2t, x prime equal 2. X equal 10t, x prime equal 10. X equal 1000t, then x prime is equal 1000. Rule number 3. If x equal radical u, then x prime is u prime over 2 radical u. X equal radical 2t plus 1, so u is 2t plus 1. Then u prime is 2t plus 1 prime equal 2. So x prime is u prime over 2 radical u, then equal 2 radical 2t plus 1 equal 1 over radical 2t plus 1. Rule number 4. X equal radical t is equal to t power half. Then x prime is half t half minus 1 equal half t minus half is equal to half 1 over t radical t. Rule number 5. X equal uv, then x prime is u prime v plus v prime u. For example, x equal t minus 1 t square plus 3, then u is t minus 1, then u prime is 1. V equal t square plus 3, then v prime is 2t. So x prime is u prime v plus v prime u is equal to 1 t square plus 3 plus 2t t minus 1. Rule number 6. X equal u over v, then u prime x prime is u prime v minus v prime u over v square. For example, x equal t 2t minus 1 over t square plus 3. U equal 2t minus 1, then u prime is 2. V equal t square plus 3, then v prime is 2t. X prime is u prime v minus v prime u over v square. Then 2t is 2 bracket t square plus 3 minus 2t bracket 2t minus 1 over t square plus 3 square. Now rule number 7, x equal cosine t, then x prime is minus sine t. X equal sine t, then x prime is equal cosine t. Rule number 8, x equal cosine u, then x prime is equal minus u prime sine u. For example, x equal cosine 2t minus 3, then u is 2t minus 3. So u prime is 2. Then x prime is minus u prime sine u equal minus 2 sine 2t minus 3. Rule number 8, x equal sine u, then x prime is u prime cosine u. For example, x equal sine t square minus 4, then u is t square minus 4. Then u prime is 2t. So x prime is u prime cosine u is equal 2t cosine t square minus 4.